Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In this short message, we want to examine and review the Valentine's Day. Should we celebrate it? What's behind it? Nowadays, more or less everyone gets involved in Valentine's Day. But when you ask them what it is, they will say it's the day of love. What's the history of it? From where it started? There will be a silence on the faces. So, just a quick one. When we look into the details, it came from the Roman times, and one of the festival known as Lupercalia, or some do say as pagan. Now, this is from where it started. It's not an American tradition. It has not started from Christianity. So the roots go to Romans, and Christianity has taken it on the name of the one of the saint or the Pope Valentine. So now, firstly, it's been originated from the festival. It's imitating non-Muslims on festivals, and it is promoting immorality, especially outside the marriage relationships, and people are deceiving on the name of falsehood. It's not as per the sunnah of the Muslims. And even moving forward, you are trying to show love to someone who is not your legal partner, who's not your spouse, and not part of your family. It's haram. So we need to understand where we're standing today with regards to our youth. Valentine's Day is wrong for many reasons. Some of them are it invites people to the relentless pursuit of promiscuous sexual freedom. While in Islam, all forms of intimacy and passion are confined to the relationship of marriage. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Quran, Surah Isra, verse number 32, "Do not come near to adultery. It is a great sin and an evil way." Dear and respected listeners, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has not said, don't commit adultery, don't commit sinner. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned don't come near to adultery. So we need to realize what the commandment is. If you see many other things which are prohibited and been asked not to do is don't lie, don't measure short, etc., etc. In them clearly we have been asked not to do, and here it is so severe that we've been asked not to come closer and stay away from that. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the understanding and to act upon it. There is no religion which encourages its followers to love and care for one another more than Islam does. This applies at all times and in all circumstances, not just on one particular day. Certainly, love in Islam is more comprehensive. It is not restricted only to one kind of love, that is between man and a woman. The love is vast and it has many kinds. There is a love for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, love of his beloved messenger, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his companions, love for doing good deeds, love for the righteous people, and love and support for the religion, love for your loved ones, your family, your children. Also in Islam, it's not a sin if one feels a special affinity or inclination towards someone, but it has to be in an appropriate manner, in the right way, which is getting married. On the other hand side, we are accountable if we take specific steps that might be deemed as haram. Also, we need to understand Islam forbids all form of dating and isolating oneself with a member of the opposite sex, as well indiscriminate mixing. And if we have any special affinity or feelings towards someone, then Islam encourages us to marry the person and take care of them for the whole of life, not just for one day.